Well, we're getting ready to send this Oishei Children's Hospital Mustang over to their location. We know how much Scott loves supporting Oishei Children's Hospital, so we wanted to do our part and build this for them.
So my boss, Ken Meyer, came up to me and knew that I worked on the last vehicle that we got, and he had asked me if I wanted to do it again. I said, sure, I'd love to do it again. It's for the kids.
Well, this vehicle here started out as a 16 Mustang convertible, and it was hit really hard in the back, so there's really nothing you could have used in the back anyway. Came in, my mechanic team, they took it all apart as far as the engine, transmission, and all that stuff, and then Tim went to work and cut it right in half. Did an awesome job at it. You could bring this portion out, and then both halves are wheelchair accessible.
They had electronics installed in it. There's a horn on the steering wheel that you can honk. You hit the accelerator or gas pedal like a revving an engine, and then when you hit the brake pedal, it squeals like screeching to a halt. I thought that was pretty neat. It's going to be a ball of fun for the kids, let's put it that way.
Our patients and families and staff are going to get to enjoy this beautiful car behind me that is Oishei Blue. You know, just huge kudos and thanks to the entire Western team for, you know, creating this beautiful car. Really went above and beyond to make this happen.